All right, it's the never-ending projects in my motorcycle shop. When you have these many motorcycles, if you're not on the battery tender program, you're kidding yourself. So what am I doing right now? I'm going to put on my Honda Goldwing a battery tender, which I didn't realize the Honda Goldwing, it's actually easier to get to the side panel and pop off to get to your battery. This actually removes. It basically pulls apart right here, and it comes right out, and you get right to your battery. It's going to be you to be able to put in your battery tender cable right here, and I can go to my positive and negative, and wow, so many Honda Goldwing new ones out there. Just watch me as I do it right now. All right, so it's a 10 millimeter. It's a pretty common size on battery terminals. Take your negative off first. All right, got the negative off. Now we're working on the positive right here. And get that off. And then we're gonna put our little cable on this bolt right here. And watch me as I do it. All right, so don't remove the cable on the positive side. See how this one came off? If you can, don't remove it. It'll be a little tougher to get that in there. You just put that on the nut and bing bam, screw it down. All right, same thing. Just put this on the exterior of the clamp, nut, bolt, I should say the bolt, right there. Get these things tucked up in here. Make sure you tighten these down really tight. If you don't, you're gonna have your bike go dead as you're riding down the road from vibration. Okay, got it all up in there. Gonna tuck this wiring in, and I guess I'll just probably feed this through the bottom here. See how that kind of plays out. Okay, there you are. I put the panel back on, and I actually didn't go in the back here. That wouldn't work. I went up front here, and this is like perfect. This will actually just slip behind here, no problem. So, wow, so much easier than I ever realized on the Honda Goldwing access to the battery on the left side of the bike. And wow, it's just amazing the dealer just wouldn't put these on. But now I've got my battery tender on all my bikes, except my Honda CB650. And I gotta figure that one out next. And there's the kid doing her total detail on her Ram 1500 truck. Hey, I hope this video helped you figure out how to put your battery tender on your new Honda Goldwing 2018 and later model. So thanks for watching ICHTV, and stay tuned for more how-tos. Have a great evening.